Out here, the world feels wide open. Time slows, and the sky begins to speak. Welcome to Big Bend, a place where desert light meets ancient silence, and the stars feel close enough to touch. Each evening during the workshop, we chase golden light across rugged terrain. From the Chisos Mountains to the Rio Grande, every turn reveals new texture, new form, waiting to be captured. When the sun slips below the horizon, another world awakens. Under one of the darkest skies in North America, we trace the arc of the Milky Way across a silent sky. With guided instruction, you'll learn how to capture these celestial landscapes and blend them with the desert's quiet beauty into something truly timeless. Whether you're just beginning your photography journey or refining your night sky techniques, this workshop is designed for you. Small groups, big skies, personal guidance, and deep creative exploration. We start slow in the mornings and dive deep in the afternoons, polishing images, unlocking the story within each frame. And at night, as the sun sets, we return. Join us for a photography workshop in Big Bend National Park, and let the desert light guide your lens, and take home not just images, but a deeper connection to the night sky.